Okay, so here's a demonstration from today. You were asked in your bell ringer if a bowling ball or a bouncy ball would float. So today, what we did in class was this demonstration. Whatever you put on the bell ringer, you'll get points for it because it was an opinion survey. So here's a wiffle ball. That was not in the bell ringer, but I'm giving you an opportunity to look at that. What do you think? Is it going to float or sink? Kind of floats, kind of sinks. Okay, so we'll talk about why does it do that. Here is a tennis ball. I know when my dog eats these, it's always empty on the inside. Is it going to float or sink? Very much floats. Right? Now in class, most people put that the bouncy ball would float. What do you think? Straight to the bottom. No questions asked. Right. Then, bowling ball. I'll give you some information. This is a 10-pound bowling ball. This is actually a league ball, so it's like the real deal. Somebody paid money for it. Okay, what do you think? Alright, let's find out. If I just let go, it's floating. But some people said, well, there's something squirrely with the way you put it in there. Maybe. So let's push it all the way down to the bottom and see what happens. Nope. It is floating. I'm going to try to calm it down for a second. I want you to notice that. Notice how much of the ball is above the water and how much of the ball is in the water. If you look carefully at the level, you can see that about 80% of the ball is in the water for the bowling ball. We're going to show you some information. Okay. We did some math in class. And show you a little bit of that. So here are some notes that we took. And then you'll notice right here is the 10-pound ball. On the 10-pound ball, you have 454 grams. I hope that that is... I hope that you can see it correctly. Otherwise, I'll show it to you on the document camera in a minute. But the 10-pound ball, you can see, has this mass, 4,540 grams. Then, all bowling balls have the same volume. The density of the 10-pound ball was 0.83. If we had a 12-pound ball, it would be 9.9. So it wouldn't float as easily. It would probably sink. And then, what do you think? Would a 15-pound ball float or sink? Would its density be greater? Let's find out.